Hi, everybody. The Precision Sport Technology team. Hi, Emma. Whenever I'm asked to make a video about myself, sometimes you pause. I'm like, what am I gonna say? But yeah, I am excited to be here and to make this video. I am Chikeluba. If in case you can't pronounce that, you can call me Fortune or call me CK. Fortune is my English name. I'm a data engineer. I have not always thought or imagined to be a data engineer. I was more on the ML field in the beginning of my career. As I did, I was working for Simfix. Simfix is a company that managed KYC and identity for other companies. So it was a B2B business. Uh, they focused on verifying someone the identity of an individual. So I was working in the ML team. I was an ML engineer at then. I was charged or tasked with building models for face match, fingerprint recognition, background cleanup, and yeah, stuff like that. But the issue we had then, we didn't have a dedicated data engineering team or a data engineering person. It was a startup that was managing our data, and as at then, within data engineering was not even a buzzword as at then. It was being practiced, but nobody really placed a name on it and became as big as it is right now. So as at then, we were charged to clean up our data and centralizing our data. That was the funny thing. I was doing data engineering work as at then and ML work without knowing. So it became evident that we needed a data engineering team. As and then we were still called an ML team. We were building pipelines to centralize our data, to clean up data. Even when we had to manually bring in microtaxers to help us sort our data. So we were doing data engineering at the background without knowing. Uh, until PwC caught my attention. They were building a, a project for financial institutions. They built a fraud management solution. Basically, the project is to filter out transactions that they were fraudulent or not and help them manage cases where if it was fraudulent or not. I was brought into the team and I worked with the engineers there. Yeah, that's moving from a startup to a big organization. It was a global team. I was building pipelines and applications that filter out transactions that happen in real time. Basically, and these are banks in quote and financial institutions, and they don't want any lag and they don't want any latency on their transactions because it was going to affect customers. So we had to make our solution very efficient. Uh, there, my yeah, I grew in the field and yeah, moved on to Proxify. So yeah, my career goal, I'm in the right path where I want to be. I want to grow more on, and I want to grow more in the field and also in technology, in tech as well. I am very open-minded, and yeah, that also prompted me to take a year gap in my studies. As at then, I only had a bachelor's degree in information technology, and I wanted to get a master's. I've always wanted to get a master's, but I didn't know what to get the master's, and until I came across this UCD program called is in computer science. Um, Negotiated learning, where you cherry pick the courses you want to take. So I picked ML courses, I picked cloud courses and distributed system courses, and obviously data related courses. Yeah. And after that, I am ready to get into the field. So my goal is to grow with the company. I know Precision Sport Technology is a startup, and also in the questionnaire that I had to fill it was a question there: have you ever worked with a startup? And I understand how it is for businesses that are trying to grow. So yeah, I'm uh, uh, hoping that I'll apply my skills to help precision sport technology grow. I watched a couple of videos on YouTube on the KPMG pitch by Emma and using how the product is going to help individuals. And also, I know the plan grand scheme is from moving from B2C to B2B, and help them track their sports, their movements, so they don't injure themselves. I know. And the best thing about it is that you just need your iPhone and your iPad or your iPad to do this, and it uses LiDAR technology, basically to track the movement of the individual. Yeah, hopefully when the interview stage comes, I'll be able to scale through and yeah, join the team in achieving their goals and also build my own personal goals. Thank you. Bye.